Yeah, how you guys doing? Quick crypto video here. If you haven't watched the last three videos, I suggest you go back and watch those, and then this will all make sense. Just quickly, how we'll do this is we see this move from here to here, ETH, BTC, that move there. Okay, let's do the same thing here. Exact same time. All right. So we see ETH here fell more than BTC did, right? And you've got like a double bottom in BTC and a further drop in ETH, concluding that that would be weaker um, at that point, okay, which would be here. By this time, we see this move is up less than BTC is relative to this high. Okay. But when you're doing it visually looking at these, you won't get the exact numbers. You'll see it, but you won't really know why. So this whole time section from there to there, from here to here, equals a down move in ETH BTC. Now that's good. That's what we want to see. But every once in a while, we'll find a situation where one of the currencies is not doing what it's supposed to be doing. And those are the ones that we were doing all of this week. And we're going to do some on crypto. All right, now let's look at LTC and we'll do the same thing. Because LTC, we can see that against BTC. See anything else like NEO, ZIL, EOS, OMG, we can't really trade those because we don't have a BTC conversion. I mean, we could, but it's gambling really. Because with this, you can get the price it's supposed to be with a calculator. And if it's not that price, then you'll know where it's supposed to be going with the calculator. So let's just move this over. And it's going to be a bit more challenging with the calculator, I think, for crypto, but we can still do it. Okay, so that is that same section of time in XMR, BTC. Where are we here? Sorry. BTC, LTC, USD, where is it? My bad. Make sure it's the same time because these can kind of get a little annoying sometimes. Their days are overlapping. So it's from the 11th to the 12th where we could originally see. Okay, we started this on a 15-minute from here, and we've got 365 down, but I want to show you at the top what it really looks like. So we'll go back over here. We see LTC made a further low than BTC, suggesting it's weaker. Then up here, we've got the same story like in ETH over here. where it was. Hang on a minute, where's it gone? Oh, it's here. Just leave everything up. All right. So where were we? Same story, yeah, exactly. So LTC made this much of a high above these, while BTC made this much of a high. You can clearly see it's more room, which tells us right there that the LTC BTC chart should equal a down move, and it does. From there to there is a down move. So that's doing what it's supposed to be. Okay. Next. Now the other one we can look at is Zcash and XMR. All right. 30 minutes. All right, we'll go back to where we're talking about here. Now Zcash relative to LTC is it's come down less. It's got a higher move in the middle here, where LTC is still down. So this is suggesting Zcash is stronger than LTC. If there was a Zcash LTC trade, then we'd have a trade. Pair, then we'd have a trade. Now here, keep going. We've got a big drop down, which the other currencies didn't do, which makes Zcash come down. Now here, it's back up, but it's not up higher than these highs over here, or the original place where we started from, which was here. So this is suggesting that Zcash BTC should be a down move all the way to here, and it is. All right. So it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. XMR BTC. Make sure we can see the same amount. Okay, so those are the highs, those are the lows. We see here that XMR made a sharper move up. So at this point, XMR BTC would have been stronger. Now let's use another BTC chart just to see. Okay. So at this point, XMR is stronger than ETH. Now BTC made a massive move up. Let's move this here. Remember where we were. XMR made a massive move up. Well, We need the other dollar one. Where is it gone? Oh, we'll just use this one. All right. Yeah, so let's look at these again. BTC has gone up strong. LTC has gone up strong, but not as strong as BTC. At this time, XMR is not going up as much as them, which would equal an XMR BTC down move, but further than LTC. So if we look at the LTC, okay, so we're expecting an XMR down move, and that's what we've got. Yeah, and that's it. That is the video, basically. If we want to find more trades, we have to find them on another time frame, because this whole time frame here is telling us that everything is doing what it's supposed to be doing. It is unfortunate that we only have 4 options though to look at. If we had more, we'd be able to find more. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So let's just look on the 5-minute. Maybe there's something there tempting us. There's always something. There's always something tempting. BTC up against US dollar this much. So that is our value. Okay, it's gone up. It's not made another high. LTC has gone up relative to this high. It's not gone up as much. Here it has gone up higher, but here it's weaker. Overall, this picture is a LTC BTC short. Let's take a look. Right. So that's also doing what it's supposed to be over that period of time. Now, the moving averages will tell you the same thing. Everything is going to tell you the same thing. If you just observe these moving averages and remember them, you see that these are very open. These are less open. Okay. This kind of chops here, keeps close while this is open. So right there, you know, just on the moving averages, because they're recording the time. They're drawing price as it's printed in time. They're no different than a trend line, but they're doing it automatically for you. It's all moving averages are. So you're always going to get the same result, same idea if you just know what you're reading. Everything's the same. So Zcash USD, where is that? Here. And Zcash BTC is here. Okay, well, we don't want to look at that. We're cheating by mistake, but whatever. All right, so remember what happened here. this is the value. BTC, that is our value. It's up this much. Okay. And Zcash is up as much here. It's dropped that far here, but here we don't know because we're not seeing that far back. So for the purpose of this video, we have to do it exactly like we're saying. Well, that's rather annoying. We can see more in this one. Like that, I guess. Alright, that's how much we can see. We can see this is dropped lower than here. There's the low, BTC is above it. Okay, LTC is above it, whereas Zcash is below it. LTC here made a new high, so did BTC. Zcash did not. So right there we know that Zcash is weaker than these and this. So it should be a short on Zcash BTC anywhere around here. Then here, where's the Zcash USD gone? BTC gone here. Right. That's as much as we're allowed to see. It's harder on this one, but whatever. So yeah, the deal is from here it's clearly obvious to be short. So short comes up back to, and remember these levels now are not as high as those. So it's still weaker. Slash even now. So it's coming up. And that's it. That's that. But yeah, that's how it works, folks. If we find any fake moves or new trades, we'll make a video. Cheers.